Welcome back to the channel. In today's Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning glass effect in Photoshop using simple tools, clean layer styles, and a few powerful filters. If you're looking for a modern, glossy, high-end design effect that you can use for logos, thumbnails, banners, or text highlights, then this video is perfect for you. Follow along step by step and you'll be able to create this glass effect in just a few minutes. To begin, select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle anywhere on your canvas. This shape will become the foundation of our glass element. After drawing it, round the corners to get that smooth, elegant, curved glass look. Press Ctrl-A to select the entire canvas, then align the rectangle to the center both vertically and horizontally. Once it's perfectly placed, press Ctrl-D to remove the selection. Next, pick the Type tool and type the word glass using a clean white color. This text will sit inside our glass shape. Again, press Ctrl-A and center align the text just like before. Press Ctrl-D once you're done. Now let's give life to the rectangle. Right-click on the rectangle layer and open Blending Options. Reduce the fill opacity to 0 so the shape becomes invisible but still reacts to layer styles. Go to Stroke and set the color to white with a size of 5 pixels. This creates the clean outer edge of the glass. Move down to Bevel and Emboss. Change the style to Stroke Emboss. Set the size to 30, soften to 0, angle to 120 degrees, and altitude to 20. Select the contour shown and make sure Anti-Aliased is enabled. These settings give the shape depth, mimicking the reflective surface of real glass. Click on Inner Glow next. Set the blending mode to Screen. Reduce the opacity to 15, and choose white as the glow color. Increase the size to 40, and pick the contour shown in the panel. Set the range to 60. This subtle glow adds that soft internal shine, enhancing the glass effect. Next, choose Overlay and keep the color white. Bring the opacity down to 10%. This adds a gentle highlight. Select the background layer and press Ctrl-J to duplicate it. Convert this duplicate into a smart object by right-clicking it. Drag this duplicated layer above the rectangle layer and convert it into a clipping mask. Then go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the blur radius to 20. This creates the classic blurred background through glass effect. Now select the rectangle layer again and increase its fill back to 100% so the inner details become visible. Click the duplicated background layer and go to Filter, Distort, and choose Zigzag. Set the style to Around Center, Amount to 5, and Ridges to 3. This gives the glass a subtle refraction, just like ripples inside polished material. Finally, select both layers, the text layer and the rectangle layer, and link them together. Now you can drag and position your glass effect anywhere on the canvas as a single unit. And that's it. Your beautiful, realistic glass effect in Photoshop is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more effects like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another creative Photoshop trick.